Broadwalk Business Brokers is thrilled to introduce a groundbreaking opportunity within a dynamic high-tech drone business. As Australia's premier provider of advanced aerial solutions for the agricultural, commercial, and government sectors, this venture positions you to leverage state-of-the-art drone technology. This innovative opportunity enables you to offer efficient and cost-effective services in a rapidly expanding global market, all while facing minimal competition. With a strong foundation in Australia, this business is poised for significant growth and success. The wide range of client and potential clients, farmers and agricultural consortia, commercial agricultural producers, local councils, schools and public facilities, property owners, both private and commercial, government departments, including ASIO, police and intelligence agencies, Australian Defence Forces, environmental surveys, detailed video inspections with computer vision AI supporting environmental and biological monitoring programs, boat hull inspections, a fast, cost-effective solution for maintaining vessel integrity, warehouse management stock control, drone training center. This business operates commercial RPA, remotely piloted aircraft services, which can only be conducted by a pilot holding a remote pilot license, RPL, on behalf of an approved organization. An organization is deemed approved by CASA, Civil Aviation Safety Authority, and is granted a RPA Operator's Certificate, RIO-C. For a remote pilot to operate under a RIO-C, they must be affiliated with the approved organization. This business holds the necessary licensing to perform complex operations, including night flights and extended visual line of sight, EVLOS missions. Such activities can only be executed under a RIO-C following procedures that have received approval from CASA. To carry out night operations, or EVLOS, it is essential to adhere strictly to the established guidelines and protocols set forth by the regulatory authority. Compliance with these procedures ensures safety and operational integrity during complex flight scenarios. Hyperspectral cameras represent a promising and profitable niche, serving as adaptable instruments across a range of sectors, including industrial applications, scientific research, and fieldwork. Their ability to capture high-resolution images enables comprehensive analysis of spectral data, making them invaluable for various analytical tasks. The versatility of hyperspectral cameras extends to numerous applications, where they facilitate detailed examinations in areas such as agriculture, environmental monitoring, and material identification. By leveraging their advanced imaging capabilities, professionals can gain deeper insights and make informed decisions based on the rich spectral information these cameras provide. The training center is specifically designed to equip councils and other organizations and law enforcement with the necessary skills and licensing requirements to complete their assignments without needing a drone license. This includes training in RICO, AROC, EVLOS, and RPL, ensuring participants are well prepared for their roles. Training can be conducted either online or in person, providing flexibility to accommodate different learning preferences. This approach allows entities to gain essential knowledge and competencies efficiently, enhancing their operational capabilities in the field. This is a prime chance for an ambitious buyer to acquire a thriving business with a solid foundation and significant growth potential. Don't miss out on this opportunity in the rapidly expanding drone industry. To take the next step, contact Broadwalk Business Brokers at 1300-136-559 or visit our website at www.broadwalkbusinessbrokers.com.au. Simply enter the reference number in the search bar to access the details of this exciting business opportunity.